Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm here to Mike and I do everything beauty, skincare, and lifestyle. If this is your first time here, please subscribe to make you your last. And if you're a subscriber, thank you, honey. So today was an unplanned video, one of those vlogs I was making, but then I'm like, lots of Aliexpress things have been coming lately. Last week, this week, 2 times last week, I think. Why don't I just make an Aliexpress haul? So yes, guys, we're going to be doing an Aliexpress haul. Lots of Aliexpress things coming up. But the thing is that I have a couple of unboxings to do right now. This is supposed to be a vlog, but I'm actually going to show you guys as a haul. Then also add the things I got last week. Okay, so this is just going to be the haul of like most of them home decor, and then every other thingy I think you would like. And just in case this video is a bit shaky, I'm so sorry, but please try to understand. Okay. Guys, my blotting paper is here. I wanted to use this to make a how to know your skin type kind of video, okay, but I did not want to use like a regular tissue paper. I wanted to use a blotting paper for this, and that is why I actually ordered this on Aliexpress. So I'll definitely drop a video of how to know your skin type, but this is how it is. Super excited for this one. It's so small. I am really excited for this one. Guys, I got this light that I've been expecting for like longest time. Got this strip light, LD light. Actually, this is how I actually thought it was going to come with like a, I don't know, something to use to roll it and hold it, but it just came in this paper. How am I even going to connect? Okay, I have to connect it with this. This is like the remote, and then I have to be really careful with this one. It feels, I don't know, really, I don't know, it feels really lightweight, very lightweight, but this is something I'm supposed to I'm surely going to move the tape at the back of it, then place it directly on my TV, not directly on my TV, but at the back of my TV. So this is connected. Let's plug. I have a power bank here. I'll just connect this to my power bank. Am I supposed to turn on something? Why is it not coming on, guys? Why is it not coming on? Oh my gosh, I don't know. Where's the manual? Let's connect this. Yay! Okay, so yeah, it actually did come on and it looks beautiful. Okay, I wanted to know if it's going to color blind my eye, because since I'm putting it at the back of my TV and when the light is turned off, and that's why I did not really want to use the one I used on my ceiling. I did not really want it to affect my eyes when I'm using it. Not really sure, because this is also cheaper. That's why I got this one for the TV. So I have this over here to scan, and when I do, I am going to, why did you turn off? When I scan this, I am going to, okay, when I scan this, I am going to be able to change the light through my phone, or probably also through the remote. Okay, probably also through the remote. Yeah, we'll have this here, please. This is my brush. So I needed an eyeliner brush. I wanted to start creating like this graphic looks on my eyes. That is why I got this. A lot of links that I'm going to drop for you guys on the description of this video. Please just go through, and if there's anything you want, you just check on the description box. Oh wow, my plant is here. So I got this other really cute plant. Oh wow, this is really small, but yeah, this is how it is. Love it, love. I think this should be the other one. I got two. Yes, it is. I got two of this. This is the other one. What other thing do we have? So what is this? On the package, this one like this. Oh wow! This smells so hospital kind of smell like. So, oh my god, guys, can you see this? Let me try and bring this down a bit. But guys, I got this for my teeth. I literally got all of this for my teeth. So I saw this video that Eniola posted, and I wanted to just, I don't know, do something for my teeth also. This is, oh, this is so beautiful. Link on the description, guys. It also came with all of this. I'll probably just read through this and know how far. Show your dazzling smile to the world. Yes, I will. I will. But this is so pretty. Professional 3D teeth shade guide. I love this. I'm so happy this one came. Whitening gel. Wow, super excited for this one. Eniola made me do it, guys. I have 10 syringes here with the teeth whitening gel. Okay, so I'll definitely give you guys a progress on it on my vlog once I start using it. But I have 10 of this. This is the manual and it has everything here, which I would surely go through later. I love this, love it. So let's do this. Guys, so I showed you guys the brush I just got for the graphic liner. Yes, so I also got a graphic liner and it is here. It is here and I'm happy. I'm super happy, guys. Now this is like the best in all. Sorry, I think I'll take this off. In all of the Aliexpress haul I've been doing for you guys lately, this is the best. I mean, the best. Most of the things I order has actually come. I mean, this is beautiful. This is so beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I think this has like 14 colors. I love it so much. I love it. If you're a lover of makeup, you would definitely love this one. I can't wait to try it out. I really cannot wait to try this out. I love it so much. This is me being super happy, guys. Like so happy. What is this? Purity mic. Okay, so I got this what do they call it, fragrance oil. I got all of this because I showed you guys the other time when the humidifier came. Yes, when this came. Okay, now guys, if you're getting this, please be very careful when you're trying to close it. I think I closed it a bit too hard the other time and see, it has a crack already. Okay, so please be very careful when you're trying to close. But then I got this scented oil, essential oil. Yes, that's the name. So I got 4 pairs. I got 2 sweet orange and coffee. So yeah, I got 2 coffee and I got 2 sweet orange. So I got this plant. This is cute. I won't really say I have something like this, but I took something like this from my brother earlier, although he's still threatening to come back and take it from me. But then I just decided to get one for myself. Then this box came also. This is like a remote holder, multi-purpose box, remote control, mobile phone, glasses, pen. So this is how it is. And from like the site I ordered from, it has 3 different colors, but I got the white. Now this is not mine. I ordered it for my brother, although I also ordered a remote holder, but mine is not here yet. So this is how it is. I really did not expect the box to be this big, but yeah. Got this how would I call this now, like a band. I use this is used to exercise. So I'm going to just insert a picture of how this actually looks. This is a soap case. You put your soap in there and you keep it like this in the bathroom. So the last thing we have here, this wood chip series. It's like a mini frame holder. I honestly, I don't know if I would say I don't know this was this small, but I just did not want to go for something too expensive. But yeah, this looks cute. Probably put a picture here and just hang it somewhere. I'm not sure yet. Well, yeah, this is how it's some bit of AliExpress unboxing also. Oh, okay. We have our second remote holder. This is for my other brother. He wanted something like this. What is this? Are they packaged like this? Oh wow. Oh, okay, another deco thingy. This looks cute. It's really tiny. Okay, so this is the soap case that I got. I got the pink. Why did I get the pink? Why did I not get white or something? I don't know. I think I was looking for the cheapest one. Probably. I think I was looking for the cheapest one, and this was it. It was the cheapest one I could see there. And it did not have white, but this is how it is. Just place it here and then place your soap. So then this is a laptop pouch, and I think a keyboard pouch also. Oh wow, this is really cute. It came with a cute bag. This is really lovely. My humidifier just came. I'm happy. I'm probably going to turn it on real soon and show you guys how it is. Right now, I'm quickly just going to show you guys how I use my phone to order from AliExpress. Okay, it's easy, and I really hope I explain this as much as possible. Okay? This is the home page of my phone. My AliExpress app is here already. If you do not have the app already, you can go to your Apple Store to download, or to your Play Store to download. So you're going to go to the AliExpress app. So if this is your first time here, you are going to have the account icon here, and it's going to be blank. Okay, just where my own is registered here, and every other thing I have here, yours is not going to be like that. Okay, so now you're going to go to the settings area by the right hand corner, and you're going to click on that. So once you do that, you're going to, if you are in Nigeria, you can change the currency to naira. Okay, so you'll be able to see everything you are buying in naira instead of you to see them in dollars and then try to convert. You're just going to see everything in naira. Okay, then you just probably try to arrange or set your profile. Okay, so ship to, mine is already shipped to Nigeria. Anywhere you are in the world, you just put it in the icon or in the place for ship to. Okay, then you go to your shipping address. I'm literally just trying to pinpoint those places that are important to you when you're trying to make an order. Go to your shipping address, and then this is where you're going to do the main thing. Okay, so if this is your first time here, mine has 2 addresses already. When I was in school, I have an address there, and when I came back to Abuja, I also have an address. That is why I have 2 addresses. Okay, so yours will be plain if this is your first time. Then you should click on edit. Let me just edit the one for my school so we can just do this together. So the first thing you're going to see is your country or region. I'm in Nigeria, so when Nigeria is placed here already, the contact address, you put in your name, and then the next thing you put in your phone number. The next thing to do is the shipping address proper. First box over here, this is where you're going to put your direct address. Let's say you're staying in number 4 Daniel Street, Abuja. You're going to put number 4 Daniel Street, Abuja. If you also have the PMO box or anything, you can basically just put like everything on the first box. Okay, now the second box is optional. Okay, your suite, your apartment unit, it is optional, and there is nothing there for me. Now the third one you're going to add is your state. Okay, when you click that, you're going to see the option for your state. The next one here is your local government of the location you are in. Okay, so you're going to add in the local government. Last thing you're going to add is your postal code or your zip code. Okay, now this is the, if I want to say, this is going to be like the most important thing you need here, because from your postal code or your zip code, this is where your order is going to be shipped to. Okay, and most times AliExpress deliver via post office or they can deliver. I think the other one they started delivering to me lately is X, I think SpeedX, something like that. I'm not so sure of the name. So your postal code, your zip code is really important, so just make sure that this is right. Make sure you get this one right. Okay, now you can probably check on Google to get the correct postal code of the area you are in. If you also know the post office you are staying, you can just go directly to the post office to ask them of their postal code or their zip code. Okay, so you could just search on Google for the for the zip code or the postal code of your area, and you will get it. Or you go to the post office, like I said, and get your postal code. Or if you know any other way you can get your postal code, just do that. Just make sure that it is correct. Okay, so when you're done, you will save. Now once we are done with the shipping address and you want to make an order, so you just come and you click on something. What are we going to click on here? That's what we're going to click on here. Okay, so let's just click on this. Now you click on this and you add to cart. Okay, you can probably just buy directly. I advise you just add to cart. You add to cart, you select everything you want to select. Okay, and with time you just get used to the app and all. Then you continue, you go to shopping cart by your right hand side. Okay, so you click on that. Now when you click on that, you're going to get everything on your cart list. Now it depends. If you want to get everything at once, you just keep clicking. If you do not want to get everything at once, you just probably click what you want. Now you can see on the checkout, you can see everything that is here. In dollars, everything is about $33.66, and in naira it's about 14,000 naira plus. Okay, so you check out, and once you check out, you would see the shipping address of where you want to be shipped to and every other thing here. Now if this is your first time of ordering, also they're going to ask you to put in your card details. Okay, now if you are using in Nigeria naira, from what I have heard lately, you cannot order things more than $20 in a month. That is really small. Right now, sometimes you want to order and you're not even able to order, even if you've not gotten anything up to $20. So if you're having issues with your naira card, you should probably try to get a dollar debit card. Open a domiciliary account and get your dollar debit card. With that card, you'll be able to order as much as you want. Okay, so when you're done with that, you just click on pay now, and that is going to be that. Once you're done with that, you're going to see what you ordered from your account. Okay, you go to account, then the first one you're going to see here is your unpaid order, to be shipped and to be reviewed. Okay, now if you just place an order, you're going to see them to be shipped. After some hours, or probably after a day or so, it's going to come to the next icon, which is the shipped icon, and then you'll be able to just track in your orders and everything that is coming in for you. Okay, so I have a couple of things I ordered. Yeah, that is that. Now with time, okay, I really cannot start telling you everything in detail about AliExpress, but this should be the main thing, or like the things you should know when you want to place an order. Now with time, you probably get used to the app and explore as much as you can. Okay, so loves, this is it for this video. I hope the explanation was helpful. Everything I showed you guys on this video, I'm definitely going to leave the link on the description. Okay, we've come to the end of this video. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Just in case I did not mention, this wig is from us. Okay, so I'm also going to be dropping my Instagram business page. Please follow and patronize. Okay, really affordable, really cute, and yes, it is a wig. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay happy, stay blessed, and stay safe. Bye guys.